Evaluating circuit behavior and verifying design intent during schematic creation minimizes the risk of costly redesigns. However, with technology evolving and designs increasing in complexity, modeling the design accurately and achieving a realistic representation of functionality can be time-consuming. Accurately and efficiently simulate circuit behavior with OrCAD PSpice Designer. Quickly create the desired circuitry with seamless access to analog, digital, and advanced libraries, including models for DMIs, magnetic cores, IGBTs, and additional parameterized and standard analog parts. Accurately generate customized models for sources, switches, transformers, and more with the modeling application. For more complex devices and magnetic parts, create accurate models by converting information from the device manufacturer's datasheets into simulation model parameters with the PSpice Model Editor and Magnetic Parts Editor. Incorporate realistic input waveforms to drive the simulation by creating and editing voltage sources, current sources, and digital stimuli with the Stimulus Editor. Easily place probes and perform transient, AC sweep, DC sweep, or bias point analysis directly from the schematic canvas. Achieve a thorough analysis by varying values for voltage, current, global parameters, model parameters, and temperature to view the effect on circuit performance. PSpice yields a quick and accurate simulation with real-time error and warning detection, the ability to restart the simulation at specific checkpoints, multiple CPU core support, and an auto-convergence engine. Graphical waveforms as well as color-coded probes and numerical data displayed directly within the schematic canvas make simulation results clear and easy to understand. Easily customize waveform results for improved analysis and documentation, with the ability to manipulate the waveform properties and plot window. Interactive waveform capabilities allow for easier identification of vital signal information, including peak, transitions, minimum, and maximum measurements. Perform complex waveform measurements with built-in functions, and customize analysis results with the application of analog operations to the output variables, and easily transform the output results for quick evaluation of Bode plots for phase margin and gain, Fourier transforms, derivatives, and more. Seamlessly communicate design intent with multiple export options including probe data, text, comma-separated files, and graphical waveforms. For a comprehensive analysis, incorporate worst-case, component stress, and performance analysis to ensure reliable design in the field. With worst-case analysis, verify circuit functionality despite variations in component values by simulating the worst probable output of a circuit based on component tolerance. Effortlessly detect components exceeding safe operating limits with smoke analysis. And realistically simulate environmental conditions such as temperature over several simulation runs with performance analysis. Accurately analyze circuit behavior and verify design intent during schematic creation with the integrated simulation capabilities and realistic modeling in OrCAD PSpice Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.